How do some people poop at the exact same time every single day? I just want some more poop predictability in my life, and I don't want to carry yesterday's shit around with me anymore. Hello, it's Carrie, your tushy enthusiast. In today's video, I'm taking you on my 7-day journey to train my bowels to poop every single morning. And disclaimer, in no way did a doctor recommend me do this. This was 100% my idea and my own personal motivation and desire to poop at the same time every single day. And in no way am I recommending that you follow everything that I'm doing. I'm just sharing my own experience in training my body to poop daily. So why am I doing this? For all of my life, I've left it up to my body to tell me when to poop. And sometimes I feel the urge in a very important meeting or when I'm on a long run, which ends up being longer because I have to walk because I'm holding in a poop the whole entire time. It's time for me to take control, life hack, or whatever you want to call it. But I'm training my body how to poop. So you can't just will yourself to become a regular pooper, you gotta take action. And so first, I did my research and got a few things to prep. In my research, I found that training your body to poop at the same time every day is a real thing. It's called bowel retraining, and this is a program that you can do with your doctor if you are experiencing chronic constipation or if you have loss of bowel control, and the goal is to poop at the same time every single day. I'm not actually aware of the details of the program because I haven't done it myself with the doctor. However, based on my research, I've taken a few tips from what I could find online and incorporated it into my guidelines for these 7 days, in which I will be sharing with you in this video. Guideline 1. Every single morning, you must sit on the toilet, whether you have a BM or not, and try to poop at your target time. That means that I gotta figure out when I actually want to poop every single morning. So because I wake up around 7 to 8 every day, I'd love to poop right when I wake up, and hopefully it'll help me wake up as well. So every single morning, right when I wake up from 7 to 8, I'm going to sit my butt down on the toilet for a few minutes, whether I have to go or not. This actually trains your body that you are actually ready to poop at the same time every day. And with this repetitive sitting session, it actually helps get your body ready because it knows that at the same time every day you have the opportunity to go. Now onto the other guidelines that I call what goes in must come out guidelines. So guideline number 2, it's eat nutritiously. You probably already know this, but eating a diet that is nutritious and high in fiber will help you poop better and more regularly. And also make sure that you are aware of the food sensitivities that you have. For example, I'm lactose intolerant and I know that if I eat cheese, I'm gonna be constipated. And so during this week, if I'm trying to train myself to become a regular pooper, I definitely do not need to be eating any foods that I know that will stop me up. So just be aware and eat nutritiously. Guideline number 3. Drink lots of water, and this is not a shock to any of us. Drinking lots of water helps us stay regular and it moves things along. A lot of people are constipated simply because we aren't drinking enough water, and that is me. So I'm going to aim to drink 3 to 4 Nalgene's full of water every single day, because a good rule of thumb is however many pounds you weigh, you should try to drink about that many ounces in water. And so that's why I'm trying to drink 3 to 4 of these a day. Guideline number 4, take fiber supplements every single day. So yes, we can get fiber in our diet, but it's oftentimes not enough to keep us regular, especially if we're trying to become regular. So by taking fiber supplements every single day, you can help ease this along. And I plan to take my fiber every single night after dinner, so hopefully when I'm asleep, I can be digesting and ready in the morning to release. And there's different types of fibers for different types of people, and it works better for different people. So I have found that Metamucil works really well for me because it is a psyllium husk-based fiber. And psyllium husk is actually really great for not only constipation, but it's also good if you have diarrhea. And so I've just been taking this for several years now, but I haven't regularly taken it at the same time of the day, or some days I skip. So during this 7 days, I'm gonna be really good and be taking it every single night. And again, I did mention that different people like different other types of fibers. And so my partner actually likes to take Benefiber. This is a wheat dextrin-based fiber. It's odorless and tasteless, and so you can just mix it in with like anything you want. Metamucil tastes like orange, so it is flavored, but they actually do make psyllium husk fiber that is tasteless and odorless as well. So I'm gonna be taking this after dinner every single day and see how it goes. And if the timing isn't right, I'll probably adjust it. But that's what I'm gonna start off with now. Guideline number 5. Every single morning, right when I wake up, before I go sit on the toilet, I'm going to drink a glass of warm water with lemon juice. And so get your warm water, assuming that this is actually gonna be warm, squeeze a little bit of lemon in there, and then just chug this, and then go sit on the toilet. And the reason that I am choosing to do this is because I've always found that drinking warm lemon water, especially in the mornings, gets my guts going, wakes me up a little bit, but kind of just starts my stomach and my digestive system for the day. So this is what I'm gonna be doing every single morning. Guideline number 6. Get regular exercise. And so for me, that means trying to work out at least 4 times a week, because getting your body moving moves things along. So those are the 6 guidelines that I will be following over the next 7 days to hopefully become a regular daily morning pooper. Something that I will be doing as well is using my TUSHY bidet to wash my booty after every single time I poop. And I chose to use the TUSHY bidet because it's actually just way better for your butt health. There's no irritation from the wiping motion on your bum, and it actually helps prevent hemorrhoids, yeast infections, UTIs, and anal fissures. And so for me at least, because I really do care about my poops and my booty, I will be using the TUSHY bidet to clean after I poop.